One, action!
Hello, I'm Nathaniel Delumen, and I give you tips for effective study. The most common barrier to success encountered by college students is a lack of effective techniques for study. Then you need to take a serious look at your study skills. Here are some suggestions to increase your effectiveness as a student. Number one, anything the instructor on the board should appear in your notes. If the instructor took the time to write it out, he or she consider it important. Number two, if impossible, try to take your notes in some kind of outline form. Number three, you might find it useful to have a second color of pencil or pen available for highlighting important ideas or indicating vocabulary. Be involved in your classes. Don't simply pretend you are a sponge ready to soak up whatever the instructor says. You are there to learn, not to be taught. If the instructor is moving too rapidly for you, or if you don't understand what is being said, say something. Ask questions if you are confused. Confusion is definitely your worst enemy. This suggestion is one which we have all heard 1,000 times. Unfortunately, most of us never really believe it until we actually try it. This is your really friend. Try to opinion something about your study. Goodbye and God bless.